Going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're riding the HRC with High Road Comics. And today I have boxes and boxes to grab. I think one of those is from Comic Talks on Instagram, and the rest are from eBay that have been piling up, and things from another world. And there's another one, a special one, that I had mailed straight from home, back home.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
So I was going to pre-stage these, but I'm just going to go ahead and open them up and see what I got in no particular order. And yeah, so I uploaded a video a couple weeks ago, and I was going to make it a more regular thing, but I've been pretty busy, and yeah, well, here we are now. Alright, so this one, man, hope I don't cut any comics. Prefer masking tape or blue painter's tape. Something is Killing the Children #2. I couldn't remember if I had #1. I found it. I've actually been storing a lot of my comic book boxes. I need to do inventory, and yeah. So I had Clz Comics. I went from an Android to an iPhone, and it didn't back up the cloud. So I guess sucks to suck. Alright. Cut away, cut down, cut towards. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Alright. So impatient. Okay, and then I was playing catch up with comics that I definitely forgot to grab. That's weird. I think this is a bonus. I'm not going to take it out. I'm not sure which issue it is. But Sanada, I got to catch up on these. I only read the first few. I got them signed at WonderCon. Or no, it was actually, wow. It was like last year at Comic-Con. Was that? Yeah, I think that was the last one I went to. Sanada #8. Sanada #10. Looks like I got these from independentcomics.com. It was actually on eBay. And then Something is Killing the Children #3. And so I'm doing this on my GoPro. I don't even know if you can see the comics. #4. And #5. Oh, this one is totally taped up. I was also lazy to black out my address, so if I accidentally show it, please don't mail me anything unless it's like a grail. Alright. I had that letter opener my friend gave me. I need to check up on him. Yeah. He got off social media. You remember him as the Comic Hefe on Instagram. We were supposed to go to C2E2, and I think that's when all this COVID stuff was starting to happen, or it was right after. Ooh, yeah. The Jenny Frizen. Something is Killing the Children. It's probably #6. 4, 5, 6, 3, 9er. It's a good one. And it looks like this one is from Things from Another World. So this is from my poll from the last month or so. Stay tuned till the end. because I got the big ones coming from back home, so I can put them with the rest of my collection. Oh, good. They're bagged and boarded this time. Alrighty. So the pull list. What do I do? Alright, Batman number 92. So I'm missing like from 75 to current. Batman 93, Matina. Dark Red number 10, Tim Seeley. Definitely met him and had him sign like the first 5 Dark Red issues. Die number 11, it's back. I did finish that, I'm all caught up. 1 through 10. Immortal Hulk number 34. And the big one. Let's see and inspect. Yep, it's got creases. Well, like that crease, that I don't care. Thor number 5 by Donny Cates. So next time I see him, I'm gonna get this one slabbed. First appearance of Black Winter. And I really wanted that 1 in 25, but I wasn't really willing to shell out that much money. Let's put that right here. Redneck number 27, some more Donny Cates. New Mutants number 10. So I think I'm gonna dial back on these. Only keep it if it's written by Hickman. So like the main XMen. Wow, this has a major crease. And the 100-page Joker 80th anniversary. Looking forward to reading this. That's a dope cover. Gabriel Del Otto. It'd be cool to meet him one day and get it signed. Alright, so these ones are fairly recent. Let's see, I got this one from Comic Talks. I actually won another auction from him. I'll do that on its own video. He's sending stickers with the next one. That's why, you know, shipping, it's at a premium, but like, he knows how to do it. Right? Like, there's already dents right here from being manhandled by USPS. Do I have hand sanitizer? Thanks. Alright. Yeah. I could reuse this box too. Alright. Thanks, Comic Talks. Looking forward to Saturday. He's got an auction for Spider-Man night. So you should check it out. Look at that. Pro. Blue masking tape, or painter's tape. Such a pro. Oh, yeah. Okay, so yeah. I'm too lazy to edit, so I'm not going to fast forward through this. You're going to have to sit there and watch me do this. So all right, I want to bend comics because I'm impatient. Sorry guys. Okay, maybe I will fast forward. Still recording. I have like 36% battery, so. Ooh, oh, I did get a bonus because I only ordered one. Okay, let's do it like this. Oh, this is clean. Alright, so first, I got a free new XMen. September 19th, 2007. Endangered species. And another one of these. So I forgot that I pre-ordered it. Thank goodness I did. And then I got this one for a pretty good price. And it really is near mint, and it's in this nice Mylar. So I'm gonna get this one graded as well. Thanks, Comic Talks. And finally, the one from back home. Let's see. Cut down. What's in the box? Alright. Glad that I did not pay an arm and a leg for these. I bought them a very long time ago before the announcement that just recently came out. So while I'm undoing this, you can guess what it is. Wait. Okay. Protects it from COVID. Bam! Alright. Ultimate Fallout number 1. Spider-Man No More. Ultimate Fallout number 2. With a goofy sticker. This one had a mini sticker. Ultimate Fallout number 3. Also with a mini sticker. Ultimate Fallout number 6. I think I'm gonna get these all slabbed with their mini tick marks. Ultimate Fallout number 5. And finally, the grill of all grills. Let's go ahead and take it out of this package. Original poly bag. Oh man, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 spine ticks. So let me know in the comment section below what it would grade. First appearance, Miles Morales, Spider-Man, Ultimate Fallout number 4, first print. I have a couple second prints in the box over there. But yeah, this is what I'm looking forward to. Yeah, that PS5 announcement with Miles and the... Oh man, there's holes on it. Oh, you can't see it. There's scratches on it. That's unfortunate. Alright. At least I have one. That's all that matters. Well, that's all I got. I can't wait to post next week's video from Comic Talks' auction, and also from some stuff that I ordered from Clz Comics, and yeah, it's gonna be a surprise. So anyway, good to see you, and that's all I got. I'll see you at the next stop.